We're gonna do a cold start video on this Ram TRX. It's cold. It hasn't been started today at all, so it's cold. And we're gonna use the remote start so you can hear it from the outside when it fires up. So let's lock it, and then it actually may not work with the hood open. So let's do it the old-fashioned way. Yeah, it's quiet even with the headers. No leaky manifold, gaskets, nothing. It's perfect. Look at that. It does have, this light comes on when you start it, off-road management, and then it goes off. You just have to reset it, and there you go.